All right, all right, all right. Good morning, good morning. Today is day 8 of trading these a live Apex account. Yesterday was one of the worst trading psychology days I've had in a very long time. So, yeah, the market is open right now. We just called market open. Let's see what we can do with today. Yeah, yesterday was just bad. It was bad. I lost 4 accounts yesterday. I can't even front like I really blew 4 accounts yesterday. It was just not a good day for me. Yeah, my mental space was just not there. I don't know what happened. It just wasn't there. I still have one live account. I'm very disappointed in myself, but let's put those emotions aside. I'm here to trade another day, and that's that. Let's see. Alright, just got stopped out. I was trying to buy off of this order block down here. Where was my entry? We do have this level down here from yesterday. Let's see if we can get another entry off of this zone. Stop just beneath this low. We're going to take this back up to this high. All right, that's our move. We took one loss already, but this is gonna be our little back up. Boom. Take it on back up to this temporary swing. This is a 2.9, almost 3 to 1. I'm just gonna let that rock out. Yeah, yesterday, man, that was just terrible. That was just terrible, man. It's like I kept seeing good setups, but I just kept like hesitating, you know what I mean? Like one major move that I was waiting for, I think I was getting a little greedy. I was trying to wait until price pushed up a little bit more, but it literally like just like spiked off of my entry and then just dumped yesterday morning. And I'm just like, I had this really weird thing going on in my head where I'm just like, I should have grabbed that. That should have been mine. It was just really bad. And I think it might be trailing over in today's trading psychology because I think I'm just rushing these positions. I feel like I am rushing things and I need to be more patient. We're about to get stopped out. Let's see. Yeah, we're about to get stopped out any second now. It's going to take out the lows. That low right there. Let's see. Yeah, we have price trying to take out this low, this liquidity level right here. My only thing is it could be creating some divergence. Yeah, it could be popping up just to pull back down, take out that liquidity level. Yep. And then push back up. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. It's the market right now. It's like extremely overextended. All right. There goes a loss. Boom. Let's exit out of this position. Cancel order. This is a loss. We do have another order block down here that it seems price is trying to reach. Down here at 327. Let's just do this. Let's just do that. Very tight stop. 320. 10. Now, if it continues to dump and take out that low of that order block, that's kind of crazy. But in position, we just got taken in or entered into the position. Take this to this high. $4.80, almost 10 to 1. Yeah, because if it price keeps breaking, it's going to continue to break these lows and this low. This will be the next entry possibility to take it back up. But I anticipate this is the move that it's going to need. It's just picking up orders from down here. Let's see. Let's do this. That's from yesterday. Oh, man. Interesting times. Crazy thing is, I was definitely being greedy, and that's why I lost my accounts. I was in the green in a profit. I took one loss and I kept chasing it. I kept chasing the recovery to the point where I hit the trailing drawdown, and that was a wrap for my account. The crazy thing is, I had enough to make my first withdrawal. My homeboy's like, "Yo, you got enough to cash out, get a payout." I'm just like, "Nah, I wanna build this up so I can have a crazy payout." Da 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 da. That mentality messed me up. That's what took me out the game yesterday. Like, no, forget that payout. But no, that's why we're in this game, to get payouts. You know what I mean? It's not a game, but that's why we do this. We pass accounts, we get funded, we trade consistently for a payout. And I didn't take my payout. So that's that. It looks like liquidity is about to get taken out right here. We actually might get stopped out again. is going to be our target profit up there at that high. All right, still moving in the right direction. Da 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 da. All right, so let's see. We having, looks like some consolidation is about to begin. I'm thinking that we had enough overextension to push back up. At least, let's see, we have first TP 38370. Just say first TP right there. TP2. Let's just say 403. These are very boom. 403. Then 423. Oh, looks like we're going to be getting stopped out. We can get price to hold this level. Yeah, almost got stopped out. We're hanging on there. About to get stopped out now though. And we are stopped out. Is price going to hold? Is price going to hold? 423. 23 is the next. That would have been the next take profit right here. But it looks like we're going to be getting stopped out anyway. So, and we are holding on. Price is holding on. We have 17 seconds until this candle closes. Let's hope this next candle closes. This candle closes green. There we go. With a strong push up. and then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We got some wick at the top of this candle. Yep, stopped out. And now it's turning around to take up. That was a legit stop hunt, people. It wicked us out and it went right back into profit. Crazy. Craziness. Let's see. All right. That was rough. Discard. Let's close this out. This order. We're actually gonna enter. We just missed the entry. Yeah, we missed a re-entry. We have a re-entry at 328. Yeah, we missed a re-entry at 328. Man. All right. Well, this is why we have minimum, very tight stop losses. There's 3 losses, and still it's only going to take one profitable position. That's what I wasn't doing. I wasn't mitigating my risk yesterday. All right, we could really use price to push up from here. Yeah, this is a tough one. I think after this, I'm going to just get out the market. Yeah, because this is a tough one, y'all. Re-entry would have been at 328. Right here. So we're kind of struggling to get. I need price to break above and retest that. to the upside. This is when we need price to do its thing. Yeah, man, like I probably should have like taken the week off. You know what I mean? Taking the rest of the week off, skip today for trading. Cause yesterday, man, it took me for a loop. Like I worked hard on getting funded. Well, I got funded in 2 days and I lost it in a week. So it's just like, oh man, that sucks. But it is what it is. We live to trade another day. I still have one live or funded account that I'm working with, which is in the green. So I'm just being very mindful of how I am trading my positions now. Let's see. That was terrible. Yeah, that's it for me today, y'all. This is just bad trading, bad psychology. Uh, Too many losses. I've only been on this recording for what, maybe 20 minutes, and it's just like, really, dude, really, like, what are you doing? You know what I mean? It's like, what the fuck are you doing, brother? Yeah, price is just dumping. It's overextended. It's doing this weird candle. Just proud how many seconds we got. 42 seconds left of this. Yeah, that's it for me, y'all. I'm over trading. Second guessing everything. Man, it's just not. I'm not there, y'all. I'm just not there today. I don't know what's going on with me. what's going on with me today. Look at me over trading. I'm back in the market. I bought this off of this level over here. This level right here. So man, oh man. That's gonna be our main target right there. This is no joke. This is our last trade of the day. I cannot take any more losses. I've taken 4 losses for the day. It's more than enough losses for the day. You know what I mean? We're going for a 10-1, and we're gonna let that rock out. Hoping to find some support at 285. Then it can continue to push up. All right. All right. Last position of the day. I'm actually thinking about just shutting down for the day and letting this position do what it does, and not paying attention to it, because I think sitting here on the charts after yesterday has been messing with me. This morning it's messing with me. I've taken 3 losses already this morning, and it is not feeling great. I have 1 live account, and I am not trying to lose this account. You know what I mean? Like, just can't do that. Just can't. Like, I've worked too hard to make this happen. So I'm just gonna let this position mature. This is about So this is like $50 right there. 32. $100 up here. 150. It's about a $300 profit move right there. It's not going to do too much in regards to the losses I've already taken, but it just is what it is, man. I can't act like I'm not disappointed in myself, but I just have to let it do what it do. And I'm hopping off of this thing. I've taken too many losses today. I blew 4 accounts yesterday. I am on the verge of blowing my last eval account today. It's just bad analysis. I hopped on here and I rushed it. I'm not getting on the live soon enough. I'm not marking up. Like past couple of days, I've been like rushing. I just hop on and just like start going. It's like, nah. What are you doing? Like legit, what are you doing? You went through all of that effort to pass your evaluations just to fail. Like, come on, man. What's the point of all of this? Excuse me. So I'm just kind of like, I need to take this weekend and just reflect, because it's like I was just ignoring the trend, pushing down, ignoring all of these sell signals. Man. Are we getting stopped out again? It looks like it. Oh man, today is just rough. Just a rough day for trading. Oh my goodness. Another loss in the books. I think so. There we go. We got a good push to the upside. Hopefully this is that market reversal we were hoping for. No, we don't need wicks. We don't need wicks at the top. We're getting stopped out, y'all. The way price action, the way these candles are forming, we're getting stopped out. Yeah, you could just see my mentality. What the fuck? You know what I mean? Like, what the fuck? What's going on? I gotta figure out what's going on with me mentally. You know what I mean? I gotta figure out what is going on up here, because this is not cool. We were in action, trusting the analysis, remembering our why, understanding that this is bigger than us. But yesterday took me out. Today it's taking me out even further. I need to reset myself over the weekend and come back stronger next week to trade and bring these accounts back up. My last funded account, I believe I took some husky losses today, like embarrassing losses. And I'm not too far from the daily drawdown. So it's just, I have to just reset myself, man. Like, cause this is, I'm very disappointed in myself. Very disappointed in myself. But, we'll see. We'll see how this goes for the rest of the day. So at this point, first TP will be 345. First take profit 345.54. Yes, it's just 345.50. Yeah, that's fine. TP2 372. Say 372.50. Let's say 372.50. That's fine right there. TP3. Let's say it pushes through the 5.8. Now we have some support right there. 399. It's the next TP. 399.46. So I'm just put it at 50. And then we have another 420. And then we have our final TP up here. 347. No, it's 345, right? 345.54. 345.54. All right, so those are all of our take profits right there. As you can see, we have a nice change of candle. Change of the candle color right there. It means we're getting a nice indication that market is switching directions, but we need that candle to close green with a dark filled in dark, whatever, how you ever want to say. I'm not the best with words, but all right, this is what we don't need. We don't need price to break down, push back down any further. We need it to hold. Let's get some wicks at the bottom. We gotta close with some wicks, but we still, sellers are active. They are getting involved. We're almost at TP1. We almost got TP1 right there. Let's see. I gotta get to work. My car. Yeah, today was just rough, man. I went outside. My car wouldn't start. So I had to call my son's mom and have her take him to school. Like, couldn't even take my son to school this morning. Like, it's just, these past couple of days, it's just been crazy, man. Blew some accounts. Woke up this morning. Car can't start. Can't get into my usual routine. Like, and you know what I mean? Like, now I'm on here. I fell asleep and I woke up late. I fell back asleep. So I'm like, all right, well, let me just rest and I didn't even mean to rest. It was just like, I laid down and it was wrap. As soon as I laid down, I wasn't even planning on going to sleep. I was just on my phone waiting to get set up. I fell asleep, woke up at 9:28, 9:29, and just like rushed down here to my office to get set up for this live. But yeah, this is not my finest moments at all. It just is what it is right now. But this is the position that we're in now. We've already taken 3 losses. I had a loss up here. I forget what the price was. Got stopped out right here. Re-entered, stopped out, re-entered. Was in profit for a little bit, stopped out. This is our final entry of the day. We're looking for price. We have some divergence, a nice little retracement, some wicks at the bottom of this candle right here. So we got some wicks off of this zone. This is an order block from the other day. So our entries right here, stop just underneath this liquidity level. just hoping that it holds. So we need price to actually cross over, push past TP1, retrace, find some support at TP1, and then push through all of these. You know what I mean? So even if we get TP4, that'd have been nice little R to R, right? TP4 is 7 to 1. We're going for 10. But anyway, yeah, car not working. Just a rough morning. Rough morning. So it just is what it is. I have to go on and schedule an Uber to get to work. I run a logistics company, so this day, man, I think this has just been a rough week. And I'm not even trying to trauma dump on you guys, you know what I mean? It just is what it is. We all know how life goes. But you know what? This is my problem. I'm not even looking at YM. I gotta get off of NQ. Let's see what YM is doing over here. Then she got a nice setup for a sell over here. Yeah, the sell already started pushing. Yeah, the entry was at 218. This would have been the entry right here. Off of this candle, 218. This candle right here. 218. See that? And boom. Full TP at this low. For almost 5 to 1. That was the entry right there. We missed it. If we can get in there, that'd be dope. But it looks like price is pushed down so much on MNQ. Yeah, we're back in the negative. We might be getting stopped out. It looks like the price might be taking out these lows of our entry. Where our entry is at, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, we're about to get stopped out because we already hit a 3 to 1. Already hit 3 to 1. We didn't get out, so it just is what it is. It's a rough day. Very rough day for me trading, and price is going to take us out right now. Right there. All right. That's it. Fuck. What a fucking morning, y'all. Just not, something's not clicking. And if this is a stop point and price turns around, I'm going to be so fucking pissed. So pissed. Like, that stop hunt, the bullshit, worked this out, and now it's going to push into profit. All right, that's it for me. I gotta shut this thing down. Good luck, y'all. Look at price push up now. Oh my god, pushing into profit. Isn't that bullshit? You can't tell me that's not bullshit right there. That stop hunt. Chasing the market. I think I just blew my accounts. I'll just have to start fresh another day. You guys witnessed it live. Bad trading. Bad mental psychology, bad trading psychology. You witnessed it live. Um, I don't know what else to say about it, but yeah, I'm pretty screwed right now. Pretty fucking screwed. That's it for me, y'all. Peace.